Today we're going to show you how to put together your jack and your spare in your trunk of your 2014 Ford Fusion. It took us a little while to figure this out, but you make sure your jack is open to right about here. Okay, about 3/4 of the way open. And put your jack in first, and it goes through. It fits all the way in. Put your bar in the middle, like that. Take your tire iron, and it goes on top of the jack, right there. And that's how you get it in to this styrofoam case. Now that you have your styrofoam set up with your jack and your tire iron, place it inside the trunk over the bar like that. Get your tire, spare tire, put your spare tire like that. Then we'll get our screw, and we will see the hole down there. We'll just put it in that hole right there because the hole lines up. Screw it in our hole. Now that we have that secure, we'll take the trunk floor, put it back in. It's a lot easier to do it when your trunk floor is out. And that is how you stow your spare tire on your 2014 Ford Fusion. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.